before we do that, we'll speak to Carol about the weather. It's wet out there, Carol.
Yes, Carrie, for some of us it absolutely is. We've seen some torrential rain across Northern Ireland, Wales and the Midlands already this morning, and that rain is going to continue to journey steadily southeastwards, eventually clearing and taking the humidity with it. And behind it, it will be brighter and it will also be fresher, but there still will be one or two showers dotted around. Now, this is the scenario this morning. We had the heavy rain last night in Northern Ireland. You can see how it poured across Wales and the Midlands in particular. This is roughly where it is now. So as we go through the rest of this morning, it will slowly continue its descent southeastwards. Still one or two heavy bursts in it. Behind it, brightening up quite nicely with some sunny intervals developing and just some showers. And some of those showers will be hit and miss. But even as the rain continues to push towards Kent through the course of the afternoon, behind it, there could well be some isolated but torrential thundery showers around too. But there'll be a lot of dry weather. There'll be a fair bit of sunshine after a wet start across the southwest and some sunshine too across Wales. For northwest England, beautiful afternoon in prospect with a little bit of high cloud dotted around. Not too bad either across the Isle of Man. And for Northern Ireland, well, here we're looking at bright spells or sunny spells with some showers in the north. Something to bear in mind if you're going to the Fleadh Festival today. Showers across western Scotland, the rest of Scotland dry with some sunshine. Again, just the odd shower, bear that in mind for the Edinburgh Festival. And then as we sweep across the northeast of England, here too, we're back into some drier conditions after this morning's rain. So that rain clears away. Overnight, there'll be some patchy mist and fog forming, and a new deep area of low pressure comes into the west, unusually deep actually for this time of the year, and it's going to introduce some heavy rain initially to western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, it's also going to be accompanied by gusty winds, gusting to gale force across the Irish Sea and exposed parts of the northwest of Scotland, but the wind will drive this rain quite quickly from the west to the east, and behind it, there'll be some bright spells, but equally there will be some showers. V Festival's on this weekend, of course. If you're going to Staffordshire, expect tomorrow a lot of cloud, some rain, but drier and brighter on Sunday. And expect some rain too in Chelmsford on Saturday, but Sunday is looking, again, drier and brighter, but it will be breezy. So for all of us during Saturday, those are the kind of temperature values we can expect. 18s, 19s, 20s, 22. And then as we head on into Sunday, while we're looking at another windy day, mostly dry. There will be some cloud at times, quite a bit at times actually, but equally there'll be some sunshine and there'll also be just one or two showers, more especially across the northwest of Scotland. But if you want to find out what the weather's doing where you are in a bit more detail, you can do so by going online, or I'll have another national forecast in half an hour.